Error 422 in Minecraft, also known as unprocessable entity, is an HTTP status code indicating that the server understands your request but can't process it due to semantic errors in the data you've provided. This typically happens during login attempts, when joining servers, or during cross-platform play. Essentially, Minecraft servers are saying that the information your game is sending to verify your account or join a server isn't quite right. It's often triggered by issues with your Microsoft account linkage, server communication problems, or even conflicts with mods. While frustrating, Error 422 is usually temporary and solvable on your end. Since Error 422 is usually a client-side issue, there are several steps you can take to fix it. First, ensure your Microsoft account is properly linked to your Xbox Live account and that your login information is current. Restarting your game or your entire system is often a good first step. Check your internet connection and ensure Minecraft is allowed through your firewall. If you're using mods, try disabling them to see if they are interfering with the authentication process. For console players, clearing the console's cache can also resolve credential corruption issues. Remember to verify the game integrity via the launcher. If the issue persists, waiting 24 to 48 hours can sometimes resolve server-side issues. If none of these steps work, consult Minecraft support channels for further assistance.